What is up, Trust Troop? It is Trust to Impress, and I am BACK back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I took my poorly organized jewelry and organized it in this amazing jewelry organizer that I purchased from Overstock.com. So it's an over-the-door jewelry organizer, so you can hang it over the door. It has a mirror on the outside, and you can see the inside displayed here. I'm super excited. I just unboxed it, and if you all are interested in seeing how I organized my jewelry into this amazing jewelry organizer, then stay tuned. Before we get into this video, I just want to remind you all that the 1K subscribers giveaway is coming up. So please make sure that you are subscribed and you click the bell to turn on your post notifications so you are the first to know when I post the giveaway. Thank you guys so much for getting the Trust Troop to 1K. I cannot wait to grow even more. I had the wonderful idea to make our 1K subscriber giveaway a promotional opportunity for some small businesses. So if you know anyone with a small business, or if you have a small business, I would love for you to sponsor the giveaway. So far, we have 7 sponsors. So for whoever wins this giveaway, you are going to have an early Christmas. So thank you so much to the businesses who are participating. And once again, share this video out so that we can add some more sponsors. I would love to advertise for more businesses. All right, now let's get into this organization video. So I have all of my jewelry down here on this hanger, these boxes, these drawers, and I'm pretty much just going to be taking the items out of all of this space, which I thought was organized, and putting it into this one space. I'm also going to be eliminating the items that I don't use. I'm going to start with these drawers. Now, I think I'm going to do bracelets on this bar. And I have some really cute bracelets. This obviously still has the tag on it. Another one, the tag on it. So I'll keep that and wear it. This is a copper bracelet, which is really cute. These are really pretty earrings. So let's see, there's a gap here, so I feel like longer earrings should go. I did have a bit of a hard time trying to figure out where I wanted everything to go, but once I worked it out for my collection, everything just turned out super awesome. So I'm going to let you guys watch the process for just a little bit, and then I'll go back and explain how I decided on my final organization. So I want to show you what everything looks like. Up top here, these are actually ring holders. So I have my rings on one side, and then you can see that I use the other side for my earrings that have posts on them. I like using these ring holders for those because it allows me to keep the backing on the earring. If I was going to use these for my post earrings, I would have to take the backing off and then wedge my fingers behind here and try to get the backing on so they won't fall out. It was too much. So I decided to put all of my post earrings up here. Then I have all of my necklaces here. I wish there had been a space over here for necklaces instead of so many extra spaces for earrings, because I could have used the extra necklace space. But yeah, pretty much have all of my necklaces there. I have a couple of pairs of earrings back here that I have not worn yet. So one set looks like Africa that I got from the hair store, and the other set is a custom set with my initials on it, well, my monogram on it, from JS Couture Designs, linked in the description box below. So some of my necklaces you can see are super long, so they're kind of resting on this shelf. So that's something that I do like about this jewelry organizer, because, you know, we once had a time and still are kind of in that time where The long necklaces are kind of like a fashion statement. Now, all of these necklaces are not super trendy right now, but I keep them because a lot of them look nice with my work outfits, and I don't have to necessarily be trendy at work. I just need to be professional. On this shelf, I have watches. All of these watches need batteries. They've been packed away for, I haven't worn these watches in 2 years, so they've been packed away for forever. And I actually had a watch that I broke the band on, and JS Couture Designs, linked below, made me some ribbons, custom ribbons to go on that watch. So I'll have to replace batteries in all of these so that I can actually wear those. Most of them are from my college days, which is why you see this tiger print theme and this orange and blue theme going on as far as my watches are concerned. Next shelf, I have just some more bracelets that didn't really fit anywhere else. This is my something borrowed from my friend for my wedding, so I actually need to ship that back to her. I have a watch and a bracelet, a magnetic bracelet, and those things just really didn't fit well anywhere else. Same thing here. This is an awkward size bangle, so I just put it on this shelf. And then these are my gold anklets. They are fake, so of course it's best to keep them in the bag. That's what the care instructions say. I have not worn them yet, so I'll have to wear them and give you guys the links from Amazon on where I purchased those. And this is a bracelet. It looks like a tennis bracelet, but it's fake, y'all. And then here I've got some throwback earrings that were my aunt's, like back in the 80s. And some extra earring backs. A necklace that I bought years ago back in my college days for a friend and never got it to her, so I'll have to get that sent. And then over here, miscellaneous, some bracelets that my Nigerian friend gave me, some waist beads, an extra satin baggie or mesh baggie, whatever this material is. So I like the little drawers. I wish they had a way of like stopping or being secure because they just fall out. But whatever it is, what it is. And I found this organizer at Overstock.com, and it was a little bit cheaper than the ones I had seen at TJ Maxx. So here are all my dangly like J-hook style earrings. I had to put most of them on this row because this row is a little bit longer. And pretty much the J-hook earrings that I have are more on the longer side. I don't wear any of this stuff, y'all, because all of my jewelry has been packed in a way where I can't access it. So I haven't worn this stuff in at least 2 years. Got some bangles and some bracelets here. This is actually a choker that I got from Pressed Atlanta when I visited Rashida's store, Pressed. She actually rung me up, y'all. She literally checked me out when I purchased this. It came with some earrings and stuff too. Don't know where that went. Then I have more rings that were too wide to fit into the ring holder section. Wedding bracelet type deal. Some more bangles, some anklet type things that I like to wear, especially when I'm going to the beach. And here's some J-hook earrings that didn't really fit up to. Actually, let's move these. So I moved those J-hook earrings up. And then on the bottom row down here, I have a couple of brooches, another bracelet by JS Couture Designs, and some other little odd size and shaped bracelets are down there. And that's it for my jewelry organizer. So everything came out really nice. Left over, I have some of my silver jewelry. These are monogrammed earrings. You can't see them very well, but they are monogrammed. This is a James Avery charm bracelet that my mom has been building for me. These are some paw print earrings from college, and this is a bracelet. The reason why I have this stuff here is because it's tarnished, but these items are real sterling silver. So I'm going to grab some toothpaste and polish those up. This is a container that I had full with jewelry that I have now organized, so I can use that container for what it was intended for, which is to take to work. And this crate is all trash. Earrings with no matches, broken jewelry, etc. And then right here I have up here are some chain belts that I want to hang. They're too big, they're too long, and they're too heavy to go into this jewelry organizer. And then I have like a little chain bikini top. And then this piece is modeled after a piece that Rihanna wore years and years ago. And it was absolutely gorgeous the first time I wore it, but it tarnished after the first time wearing it. So I've just been holding on to it because it's still intact. It's still in, you know, great hardware shape, in hopes that one day I will have the money to coat this necklace in gold. So I want to get this necklace gold plated so that it no longer looks tarnished, and it will never tarnish again. But I think it will be a lot cheaper to get it gold plated rather than having the entire piece built from scratch. So that is a piece that I wanted to keep and hold on to. Everything else went into the trash bin. And y'all, probably about 2 years ago, I cleaned out all of my jewelry and got rid of bracelets and earrings and bangle bracelets that just weren't trendy anymore, or that I didn't wear anymore. So this is kind of like my reduced collection of costume jewelry. I don't think anything in here is real. If anything in here is real jewelry, it may be a few sets of pearl earrings, maybe, and then this sterling jewelry. All right, folks.